Hi, this is Grace. Today we are going to make tiramisu. Tiramisu is my favorite dessert, and it's not that difficult to make. These are the main ingredients: ladyfinger cookies, egg, sugar, mascarpone cheese. I used powdered espresso this time, but fresh espresso will be better. I followed the recipe on a mascarpone package and tweaked a little to my taste. First, make espresso using the powder and let it cool. Next, separate the egg. The recipe called for 3 eggs, but I find it too watery, so I reduced the egg to 1. Beat the egg white for about a minute, and then add a pinch of sugar. Beat until stiff peaks form. In the egg yolk, add a tablespoon of espresso, 2 tablespoons sugar, and a tablespoon cognac, which is optional. Beat the yolk mixture for about 2 minutes. I let the mascarpone out in room temperature for too long today, and when I opened it, it's a bit watery. And that made the custard-like texture, which is not good. I had to start over by repeating using a different egg yolk and a different mascarpone. This time I took the mascarpone directly from fridge and it worked perfectly. So don't take the mascarpone out too early. The texture should be creamy. I didn't bother to beat the yolk first and directly added mascarpone. That didn't seem to make a difference. Now we can add beaten egg white into the yolk mascarpone mixture, 1/3 a time. The mixture will become more airy. You can bake your own cookie, but I am using the store-bought. Soak the cookies into the espresso. Lay them on the bottom of a container. Add about half mascarpone mixture and spread out. Add another layer of soaked cookies and the rest of the mascarpone. Finally, dust the top with cacao powder. The tiramisu is ready after storing in the fridge for about 2 hours. Hope you will enjoy this recipe. See you next time.